Wow, this is protecting the ozone layer. Basically from far away, and you can see, of course, today is cold. This place is located at Eddystone, as you can see. So much protecting Earth, you know. They should pass on laws regarding this stuff. They don't understand, but we're killing ourselves, and these are the real criminals. See, industries, they don't care. They just care about making money. And of course, as soon as any part of the governments they get money, it's okay to do it. As you can see, it's a big cloud, and it's located at Eddystone, Pennsylvania, and it's sad to see all this stuff. You can see it like a few miles away from, and it's surprising. I thought it was a fire or something, but as you can see, it's not. So this is called protecting our ozone zone, protecting Earth. And now you wonder why we get all this type of climate. Now you wonder why we're destroying Earth. Of course, Earth has to respond. We're supposed to be humans, the ones with a conscience, but we're not. Yeah. So keep blaming on everything else, but all these companies, see that they take care of the climate. Earth. It's a big cloud, huh? Yep, big cloud. Now you wonder why we get cancer and all those diseases.